Cool. Yeah. This is crypto again. Now this is trading view again, but then we are looking at crypto. We're looking at different analysis of different assets. Yeah, we have Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin is the king of crypto. Like it was the first. It was the first instrument. It was the first asset that was released and that was successful. Of course, there were very many attempts of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency, like how it was supposed to be designed. There have been researches that have been quoted and enhanced by different people, and of course, that's when now we saw the birth of Bitcoin, which was the first exchange, which was the first blockchain that was released into the market. Okay, I'm saying exchange because I want just to us to launch the chart. So we are looking at Bitcoin as a crypto, and we are looking it at this one listed by TradingView. Okay, on this tab here, you can see TradingView. Yeah, so yeah, TradingView is here, and then we have Binance, Coinbase. Of course, these are other exchanges, and for me, I would just advise you just to go to TradingView because it gives you the right market price of how this asset is trading currently. Okay, so now with that said, we are going to launch the chart. Uh, yeah, and exchanges are just for exchanging your money, so you have to have a wallet such as Token Pocket, MetaMask. We have internet money. There, once you are trading any of those, any crypto, you just send your money over there. Yeah, where you have your own keys. Remember, your keys, not your keys, not your coins. So your keys, your coins, all right, on your or your tokens. You can't be hacked unless you give your the rights to a person. Okay, yeah. So here we are looking at what we're looking at trading view. Of course, we want to see how the market actually. Yeah, I had done some analysis before, and I think that's where the chart has brought. Of course, this is my previous analysis. You are going to look into that, but again, what we are saying here, this is Bitcoin. It was launched by either a single person or a group of people who gave themselves the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto, of course, is a big name. Yeah, they are the people or the person who invented Bitcoin, and with that they introduced the Bitcoin technology and how it would work. Um, it would work in the real time. So there is an 8-page document that was released that explains everything that I'm talking about here. Actually, that was now before 2009, 2009, around this is when Bitcoin was launched, and all this time you can see the price has been going up. The price has been going up, and currently one Bitcoin is worth 68,967. 68,958. Okay, now that is the current price of one Bitcoin. Okay, yeah, so now this is just information just to explain what happened. Before this, we had other attempts of coming up with a um, uh, decentralized way of people transacting that can never be switched off by the government and all that. Yeah, there isn't need of middlemen. Actually, that was the aim. Crypto was invented to remove middlemen. So now Bitcoin was launched, and now it's you and the code. You can never manipulate or cheat Bitcoin. It can never be stopped by any country. It can never be stopped by anyone, even the person who started it, unless now people stop using it completely, like you're not using it. Like, of course it will have more value. Like, you can't stop Bitcoin, yeah, unless is quantum whatever's theories and all those. There are those conspiracy theories. But then Bitcoin, since then, it has been up and running, up and to the right. Of course, you can see it is going up and to the right. Okay, now this is the price of Bitcoin, and yeah, this is just to explain the current price right now and how it is trading, and even the current surge that we are seeing. Actually, the market is it has just done a small curve on the top. Yeah. Okay. So unlike even other times when we can see these previous times when the price was like dipping real hard, this one for now is like a small one. But I think it's because people are hyping it at 126. Remember, this this price had reached at 126,000 dollars. Yeah, in the at all-time highs. That was the price at all-time highs. Oh, that chart looks nice. Let me just take a screenshot. Oh, nice. Yeah. Now this is how the price has been performing. You can see those these resistance areas, this resistance zones. Yeah, the price has attempted to come and test them even previously. And this year, after these two attempts, price came to get supported at this previous resistance zone. Then it broke out of that the previous one, and now we can see now it is being tested now the second time. This was the first time here. Let me highlight that around this zone here. That was the first time, and now we are in the second one there. Yeah, we can let me zoom that so that I'm just making this very simple. I don't want to use very heavy terms. I don't want to explain using very ambiguous words. This is just like price doing its thing. Like each candlestick here, remember, represents how price is performing each month. Yeah, so this is the current month where price is printing, and each candlestick here, the blue candlestick, the green candlestick represents price performance per month, and represents bullish momentum, and the red candlesticks represents bearish momentum, and the bears, like the selling momentum. So price broke out of this area here, this which was happening like uh, um, it was a resistance zone there, and then we have the second one, and then we have this consolidation, but price again broke out of this, and it has been now ranging between 126. Actually 126 should be the price, the all-time high for Bitcoin. Yeah, around that area. So $126,000, and currently price is trading at 68. We can even like measure how price has gone down. Our price has gone down, like use this price range, just to see from all that time up to currently, up to the current price, or up to the low that it has been. Actually price of Bitcoin has been down 52%, the lowest it has been. But currently, the current price right now, it's almost 45%, 45% up to the from the all-time high up to now the current price right here. You can see it is 45%. Yeah, now that is the price range, and it is showing in case like if you would purchase or if you would try to own. Yeah, this is like you can use it as an experiment, or you can just confirm your feeling, or yeah, this is just money and its price. Like you can just try it yourself. You buy some Bitcoin at this place, and then you see if you are going to get this 40 plus 45 if it regains your previous all-time high. Yeah, and yeah, So now at this point we were waiting, even if price is going to break past this point. Of course, this is the monthly chart, but if price is going to break past this support, now this purple rectangle, if price is going to break past this, then we are going to say the market is still bearish. But if it gets rejected at this point and maybe we see a consolidation around this area, we might say that now this support is very strong, and this might lead even price now to regaining and breaking all its time high. But do you think that this price can break the all-time high? Like, what is your price prediction and time frames, maybe? But now what we are anticipating here is for price to break out of this area, maybe bounce from this area and continue going up. Maybe we will go to shorter time frames, smaller time frames, that is, yeah, so that we can just see how price is performing in the smaller time frames, like the daily. Now each candlestick here, now again, remember, it is showing how price is. Let me reduce this. Of course, now we know. Okay, let me just remain with the price range, and now the current market structure here. Yeah, the market is still showing that we are very bearish. Actually, I want just to make this very simple. So long as now we have just drawn this trend line, and then you can see it has been obeyed 2 times, and then now you can see price. This is a price on the weekly. You have seen the week, but now here you can see now 2 candlesticks, which are showing that one is green, and it is showing that the bullish momentum is back. So we are going now, if this will be confirmed that the bullish momentum is back, maybe after we have seen it break past this trend line here, maybe it be broken, retested, and then price continue going up. If not, it's not obeyed, it will maybe get rejected at this point, and maybe we'll see another test of time if this area here, if this last price will be broken. Okay, that's when, if price will now get rejected at this area here. So we have two scenarios. We are waiting like for a real confirmation to see what the market is going to explain and tell us. Okay, yeah, so that is just to give us a small snippet of us analyzing this. But then we have to wait, like this need of a lot of patience in this market. Okay, um so that's it. Thank you very much. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Just ask any questions that you have. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah, share with your friends. This is just very clean. We are not trying to complicate it with too much 200 mA, I don't know, 50 mA, and all that information. This is just very naked. It's now this how price is performing in each candlestick. It will be speaking to us and telling us now probably the market is bullish, that is bearish, like a confirmation of either of those two. But the best is now your entry, the point at where you are getting into. Like currently price is at 69,000 and 50 and $55,000. $69,000, around 69, around, yeah, around there, $69,000. So this is your entry, and if you get in here and price reclaims its all-time high, yeah, you will have made a lot of profits. So this is just for information purposes only. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just person just sharing this information. Yeah. So thank you very much. You can join you can just make sure you subscribe to this channel. That is how you maybe you can support us and the hub. Yeah, we are very many people under these. Yeah, so very soon you'll be seeing um uh some gurus or some other guys who are sharp and yeah, have other strategies that we can share around here. So thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, guys.